You will be amazed by this 2023 Nissan Armada. This serene and seriously strong Armada delivers full-size SUV mightiness and an effortlessly luxurious ride. Standard driver assist safety tech and touchscreen infotainment let you enjoy every adventure with confidence. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, moonroof, navigation system, heated driver's seat, premium sound system, fog lamps, power liftgate, power passenger seat. Make every adventure all it can be in this luxurious and powerful Armada. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.